Hey, my name is Replay and today I have a bit of a different video for you. No, this is not Minecraft, also no Dead by Daylight. Today, we take a look at a little thing that I got myself after waiting for literally months. But first, story time. I used to record on a so-called gaming laptop. It had an Intel Core i7 paired with a Nvidia GTX 1050 Ti. A horribly spec'd machine that was slowly about to die. Apart from the lack of cooling and basically all the ports being broken, it was just not that usable anymore. Rest in peace, my trusty old laptop. And now go die in a corner while I build myself a new gaming rig. So me being me, there was really only one kind of PC to be built. I always wanted to have sort of a high-end machine and finally dumped my low-end laptop. And when I say high-end, I mean it. To give you an idea, let's look at the parts. I'm using an ASUS ROG Strix X570 Gaming E motherboard, which has all the bells and whistles that you could want. Not saying it's necessary to buy such an expensive one, but I just love how it looks. For the processor, I initially wanted to get a Ryzen 9 3900X, then the 5000 series came out, and due to availability, I could get a 12-core 5900X or a 16-core 5950X for about the same price. So I had to ask myself a couple of questions. What normal person would need 16 cores? So maybe I should just get like 12 cores. Be normal, you know? Nah, we all knew there was really only one clear choice. The Ryzen 9 5950X. This is a CPU for many tasks, with massive 16 cores and 32 threads, with a precision boost of 5 GHz. It's meant to redline. For RAM, I went with 32 gigs of G.Skill's Trident C Royal at 3600 MHz and CL16. Honestly, there really is no reason to get this kind. I got my eyes on it for a while and when I saw a good deal I couldn't resist. As for storage, I didn't want to put SATA drives in there. I got 1TB of Corsair MP600 NVMe, as well as a 1TB Samsung 970 EVO. So a total of 2TB with an additional 6TB external hard drive that I already had. As a cooler, I chose the Fractal Celsius Plus S36, a 360mm radiator as an all-in-one cooler. There is a problem though. The mount for the pump was either a standard Intel bracket or a more flimsy 2-point connection for AMD. The real issue was that the bracket simply wouldn't fit. I'm like, am I stupid or did I not get anything or something? But like, yeah, it just doesn't fit for some reason. At the end, I got it mounted in a bit of a sketchy way, but cooling works just fine. I already ordered a former AMD bracket, and as soon as it arrives, I will swap it out and get peace of mind. After having all together, it's time to put everything inside a case. Here I am using the Phanteks Evolve X Black. This case I've been looking for a long time. It went through hell and back while having a shattered side panel when getting shipped to my home, so I had to swap it out and just wait a long time. Now we need power! Using a 1000 watt power supply is a bit much even for this machine, but it can't hurt anything. And again, I got a decent deal, therefore I used the Corsair RM1000i fully modular power supply. And after a bit of cable management, a lot of cable management, it's time for the graphics card. I had to wait for months, though I finally got my hands on an RTX 3080 TUF. I guess at this point it's clear that this PC is going to be a monster. In fact, the GPU is so heavy that it sags like crazy, so much that the included anti-sag bracket of the case can't hold it in place. So I gotta come up with some solution for that. Again, lots of cable management later. The PC needed a BIOS update and other configurations. I had to deal with little issues here and there for like 4 to 5 days, but I got it done.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
And now I'm gonna make a short break to tell you about the Discord server. There you can talk to me or the people I usually record with. Also complain about how shit I am, and there lives the high-tech team that will try to help you out in any Minecraft question. You can join the community by clicking the link below. I'm sitting currently under a blanket because the audio in this room sucks. Well, actually, things are changing a bit. This is my new screen, my new desk, new setup, everything like this. New PC, epic machine, my new chair, desk, everything is new in here. The room is about as small as you could guess. Have a faucet and sound dampening material in those corners that are still going to be on the wall and stuff. So this is how the room sounds right now, and you don't want that. So yeah, it's all about quality in the future, so this is what I'm going for. I have built PCs before, but never such a boys to the walls high-end machine. And I gotta say, it looks fantastic. So at the end, was it worth upgrading? Absolutely. Was it necessary? No. But again, I never had anything better than low-end, so why not go all out for once? Usually I recommend people to build a mid-end PC and upgrade every couple of years. In my case, I probably wouldn't need to do that for the next 5 to 10 years. The people that know me already know that I can't hold myself back and I'm probably going to upgrade it anyway. But that's literally me being an idiot. There's still one big question to be asked though. How do I call this PC? It's like a child for me, so it needs a name. Well, since it's so high-end and so fast, I decided to call it Project Redline. You know, like it redlines like a car and yeah. I hope you liked this video, leave a like, subscribe and tell me in the comments what you would do with so much power under the hood. There's going to be more high-tech series coming in the near future. Since I couldn't record in a while, I spent all the time developing crazy shit that you don't wanna miss. With that said, I have been Replay, and ciao! Also for everyone asking, the budget for this PC was $3,300. Yes, it hurts.
Ich krieg Krampf.